Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Africah Harrigan, and today I am sharing with you an unboxing and review of the Beis packing cubes. I have not used this or even opened it technically since I've done the Beis travel luggage haul. This is one of the accessories that I purchased from the website that I haven't had an opportunity to use yet. But I figured, we'll open it technically together. As you know, it came in a plastic. All of them came in the same plastic. So I already took the plastic off because I do find the plastic to be a bit noisy. So I just have it like this, still with the tag on it and everything. So we'll go ahead and go over all of the packing cubes that this particular set comes with. So when you open it on the side, actually, it opens all around. Wow, okay. So this particular packing cube opens all around except for that side. I kind of like that actually. So when you're packing, you have space to just unpack all of your things or pack in all of your things really. So you have space. It opens up wide like a luggage. I honestly appreciate that particular aspect of it. And then of course you'll find more items inside because it's multiple cubes inside of the largest one. Okay, so the next item that I'm going to take out is going to be, I'm assuming that this is a shoe bag, and it not only just has one, but it has two. This material is very thin. It feels very thin, and honestly it feels more like a plastic. I hope that this material can, last for the long run, because based on how it feels, it's very thin and very plasticky. I don't know if it tears easily or what, but I guess I will have to try it out and test it out and use it a few times to really go back and give you guys an a full-on review on it and my thoughts on it and my impressions, really an impressions video. That would work, an impressions video on this and how long it actually lasts. Because when you do research on accessories, on travel luggage accessories, everyone shares the unboxings. Trust me, I've watched several videos, multiple videos prior to even purchasing this brand Beis. And no one does follow-up videos or wear and tear videos. And to me, that's really equally important, not just the glitz and the glam of doing an unboxing, but how does the product work? What is the longevity of it? Does it last? Does it not last? You know what I mean? I think that these are really important things that as viewers we need to know, and as people who are seeking information on a particular product and whether we should purchase a product or not. I think that follow-up reviews are really important. But that might just be the journal. That might just be the journalist in me. Okay, so this is the Beis shoe bag inside. I'll just go ahead and place that here. And inside of the large packing cube is another cube. So let's see what this is, or another bag. Oh wow, now this has good material. This feels nice and thick. And I like how this feels. So this seems to me to be like maybe a wet bag, a swimsuit or something wet, maybe something spilled prior to you getting ready to leave your hotel room to catch your flight. Or maybe it could just be something where you store maybe your undergarments. But I do like it. To me, this material feels durable. It feels thick, and I like that. And the zipper is on point inside. Of course, it's more like a plastic material, but a thicker, durable plastic material comparable to this. This feels like it might break any time now. And I could be wrong. We're basically unboxing this together. But, we'll speak to the longevity of the product. So I do like this. This feels nice and thick and strong. And I do like the fact that they have the Beis logo in beige. I love that. And, yeah, I like how, these little accented beige. And I also think that they also have Beis on the zipper pull as well. Can you see the word Beis? Yeah, so I like how they gave a lot of thought and detail into their packing cubes. And I also like how so far it doesn't seem like they left anything out. We saw the shoes. You have a little plastic maybe for a swimsuit, maybe for some undergarments. let's see what else is inside of this major or the largest packing cube that I have. Okay, so in here we see something else, and this is, okay, so the packing cubes just got bigger. And this particular packing cube, this is the largest side, and I do like how it's foldable. I love the mesh print of it. I love the mesh print of it. Can you see it? It's like mesh, and then of course it's the plastic, and I love how it's, you know, like the labels right there. I love that. And the reason why I like it is because, I mean, you'll know exactly what's what. For example, shirts, pants, skirts, you know, you can label things how you want to label it and stay organized in that manner. And I love how nice and big this is. This feels durable, by the way. And I also love how it even has like this tag there. Not a tag, but the handle. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Now, do this open up all the way? Yeah, it does. It opens up because you can see that the zipper starts from at the top and then it comes all the way there. It proceeds to the bottom of the bag, and when you turn it, the zipper comes all the way here. So when you open it, it'll open up like a large flap, just like the initial packing cube that's holding all the other cubes inside of it. So I think that's really, really cool. Now, what's left inside of here? Oh no. Okay, so what's left inside of the cubes are these labels. I like that. So let's go over what these labels say. And we have, oh, this is so cool and well thought out. Monday through Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Fun Day, Sunday. I like that. And then we also have, okay, more specifics: undies, pajamas, bras, workout tops, socks, bottoms, sweaters, kitties, jeans, and pants. I like that. Very well thought out. And of course, we got swim, basic, proceed with caution, night out, the good stuff, essentials, accessories, wet stuff, and so fresh and so clean. I love the labels, and I love how, you know, I think that Beis is having fun with the labels. I actually like that a lot. And then that's the last of it. So right here we have just the cardboard, and then of course this will close back like that. And that's it. I mean, that makes up and comprises the packing cubes. I can't wait to use them so I can show you guys how I'm using them. Like I was mentioning in the original video with the Beis haul travel luggage unboxing, this is my first time using packing cubes, and I do love organization in my purses. You guys know this if you've been watching me for a while. So to have organization in my luggage is pretty exciting. I know the things that makes me happy, right? Okay, so I find that to just be so exciting. Again, it has the handle there, so you can like, okay, you can even hang this up. Or maybe it's not really meant to be hung up. Maybe it's just meant to just have an extra way to hold it instead of picking it up like this. So you'll just have the handle to hold like that. I do like this. I do. I think that I'm going to enjoy using these packing cubes because, I mean, why not be organized when you travel? I'm just going to go ahead and zip this back up. And the shoe bag. The shoe bag, in all honesty, I'm a little bit worried about because it doesn't feel as durable and as thick and as strong as the other materials for the packing cubes. But I guess I'll just have to proceed with caution. I'll have to proceed with caution in order to, you know, not have any mishaps or have it torn or anything. But I do think that I'm going to enjoy using the packing cubes. They come in beige as well, but I think that they were unavailable on the website, and you can like put in your email if you're interested in being notified when they're available. And you know, it's the interior of my suitcase, so I'm not really too worried about beige and black. The black packing cubes, I'll let you know my thoughts on them. We will do some follow-up videos. I'll even do maybe some pack with me's to show you how I'm packing and using my packing cubes. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification button, which is the bell button, so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome back, all my new old subscribers, my long-term subscribers who've been with me from day one. Thank you so much. Any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below. Do you use packing cubes? I'm curious. Is packing cubes a must for your travel essentials? Please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Africah Harrigan. Stay beautiful.